Hey beauty babes, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I am doing a review video. I actually did another review video before and I reviewed the Thrive Cosmetics mascara, and now I'm going to be doing a review on the Kiss Falscara. Okay, right when this came out I instantly bought it, and this was actually during the time when I was like in my YouTube break type thing. So I kind of like bought it and I was like, when I'm ready to come back I'll do a review on this. It seems like such a great product and it seems really easy. You can use it again. Everything just seems so nice, and I love mascara and I love false lashes, so this just seems like the perfect combination, honestly. So yeah, I'm really excited. Let's just get on with the video. I'm just gonna open up the package. Now I got the full whole entire like starter kit, so it comes with this, comes with the lashes, and then it comes with the Falscara bonding stuff. So yeah, I got the full set, but I think you could just get the lashes or just get like some of these separately if you wanted to. Okay, so it says brush a light coat of bond on natural lashes. A little goes a long way. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull my mirror. It says to put the bond on my natural lashes, so. Hello world of YouTube. One thing I want to mention is that I put on the bonding stuff on both of my eyes, and that really screwed me over because then by the time I got to my other eye it was already like not as sticky. So don't do that. Now it says use the included Falscara applicator to pluck a... So since I don't know how to explain anything, I'm just going to basically tell you guys how to do this over voiceover because I'm a disappointment, but I'm an accepted disappointment, which means that I know my disappointment. Okay, you know what? This is just going to take forever to explain. Back to the video. Basically, what you're going to want to do is you're going to pluck out the little false thingies and you're going to put them underneath your eyelash, trying to stick it to the bonding stuff that you applied. This is the part I'm scared for, but we're just going to go for it, you know? Oh my gosh, come on. Okay, I'm having a lot of trouble getting these on. Okay, I got one on. Okay, there we go. I think I'm starting to understand it a little bit better. Once again, I am back, and the reason for that is because of that light. That stupid freaking light. It is driving me crazy. It has been played throughout this whole entire video. I don't know why it's there, but I know the reason that it is there is because my mirror has a light in it and it was turned on while I was filming. So yeah. It's making me very frustrated and annoyed, and I felt like ranting about it on this voiceover because it is 3 o'clock in the morning. I hate my life. It is 3 o'clock in the morning and I'm exhausted and I have so much energy, so I can't fall asleep. I'm gonna go now. You guys can like see it. It definitely looks gorgeous. You can definitely see a difference. It looks very natural, but also very nice and like existent. I feel like my lashes look really good. I feel like they look separated and stuff. Everything. So yeah, next thing I have to do is I just have to take out the seal. Okay guys, so I just put the lashes on and I'm just gonna finish everything else that I do on my eyes because I actually am going to the mall, which is why I'm filming this. Okay, so far I haven't really had the product on for a long time, but I do have to say that first of all, do one eye at a time. I ended up making the mistake of putting the bond on immediately on both eyes, so that way when it was this eye's turn, I had to put it on again because it wasn't as sticky anymore. I feel like if I would have started from the inside of my lashes and worked my way down that way, it would have made my life so much easier, but I had to be an idiot and do it starting from the outside. So the best tip I could give you is just to start from the inside because that's like 100% going to be easier for you. At the end of the day, so far I think that they look really good. My lashes look really nice. They look very flowy, which I really like. I think that's totally beautiful. It's gorgeous. It doesn't look like you're wearing fake lashes, which is what I really am liking so far. So yeah, I will be right back, guys. Oh, that went well. Hey beauty babes. Okay guys, I am back. I finished filming me putting on the lashes and everything that around like 3 o'clock, and it is 8 o'clock now, so that's like 5 hours that it's been. Well, first of all, the lashes, they look beautiful. I absolutely love them. I got a lot of compliments on them when I went to the mall and Ulta. A lot of people were like, oh my god, are those your natural lashes? And I was like, no way, definitely not. It's the Falscara kiss thing, and they were like, oh my god. A lot of people noticed them, which I did like, 'cause, you know, you feel nice and like everything like that. As far as the lashes itself, I did not feel them whatsoever. The only thing I really have to pick with this product is just the fact that it is a little bit tricky to get on, but I feel like the more you do it, the easier it gets. That's what I kind of learned. So is this worth it? Would I purchase this again? I believe this was about like $24 maybe, $20 plus like shipping and everything like that, because I did get it online, so that's probably around like $24. Would I buy this again? I would 100% buy this again. This was so worth it. They don't look like fake lashes. Like, they don't look like they're like on top of my lashes because they're underneath, so it makes them look more real. It looks basically like I got lash extension. That's how it looks, and I'm actually obsessed with that. The only other thing I really have to say is that when I was putting on the seal, it kind of made my lashes white a little bit. Like the lashes, like it made it white for some reason. Sorry to distract you from my complete and utter hotness. I know it's hard because well, look at me. I realized that I put way too much of the seal stuff on, and that's why my lashes were white. So just be careful not to put way too much on like I did, because I kept on like repeating the steps because I was a little rough for me my first time. Okay guys, it was hard, okay? I absolutely love them. They're so nice. And again, I did not even feel them. Like at first, like you're kind of like, it's like, this is like a little bit weird, but after like 5 to 10 minutes, you're like, okay, there's nothing on my face right now. That's how it feels. I definitely would purchase this product again, and I fully recommend it in my personal opinion. So yeah, let's move on to the end card. Okay, beauty babes, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any video requests or review requests or singing requests or anything like that, and I'll try my hardest to do them. If you'd like to follow me on my social media, it'll be located all right over here, along with my latest video, which is playing underneath me right now, so you guys should definitely check that out. If you guys would like to check out the Falscara product I reviewed, I will have it linked down below. I think that it is a really smart idea, and yeah, so I'm just really happy. They make my lashes look so pretty. If you guys would like to subscribe to my channel, it is the subscribe button down below, obviously, and make sure you hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload any new videos. Okay, I think that is all I have to say, so bye bye, beauty babes, love you!